Let's try and figure out what else can affect the moment. So, if you're trying to push an open door from the handle, it is easy. Try pushing the door closer to the hinge. You will have to apply a hell of a lot of force to be able to rotate it even a little. That means, apart from the magnitude of force, the moment, the turning effect, also depends upon the point where the force is applied. The greater the distance of the force from the hinge, the greater the turning effect. This distance is called the moment arm. Moment arm is the perpendicular distance between the point of action of force and the pivot.
To learn more about the principle of moments, download Attaiin app now.